I'm from Uzbekistan.
China?
No China.
Thailand?
No Thailand.
No.
Just Uzbekistan.
Okay.
Hello, sir. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
Good, Matt.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Thank
What's
you.
your name?
Hikmatullah.
Hikmatullah?
Hikmatullah.
Hikmatullah.
Yes.
All right. Where you
No,
from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Where?
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan.
You know Uzbekistan?
No. China?
No China.
Thailand?
No Thailand.
No.
Just Uzbekistan.
Okay.
May I take a video for my social media?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
Appreciate it. This one?
Yeah, this is it, and then it's got this crank so you can
Yes,
crank it out.
I know.
So I'll just need some room here.
Yeah, gotcha. What's your name?
Matt.
Matt?
Matt. M-A-T-T.
Matt, yes.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you,
Nice
Matt.
to meet you, man.
Mana xullas do'stlar, mana shu narsa. Zontekda mana xullas devorga qotiriladi. Buralganda ochilib yopiladigan zontek mana rasmdagi narsa. Mana do'stlar, zapchastlari korobkasidan ajratib oldim. Ko'rishingiz mumkin. Buni pastda yig'ib turib, bu yerdan 2-3 metr tepalikka qotirib berishim kerak. Birinchi breketni qotirib oldim, yana bitta, ikkita, hop shu 3ta breket bilan yakun yasaymiz bu ishga ham do'stlar. Вообще issiq ekan. Quyoq charaqlab chiqyapti. Shitillab ketdi. Do'stlar, ko'ringlarchi, o'zingizlar baho beringlar. Xullas mana ruchnoy. Ochadi, yopadi. Hamma yoq joy-joyida, mustahkam o'rnatilgan. Uyda egasini chaqirib topshirib olamiz işte. Uyda egasi ishni oldiga kelib aralashmaydi, aqllilik qilmaydi. Well done.
Well done, nice.
It's good?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
You like it?
Yeah, looks good.
Thank you. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
Appreciate you. This is my business card. The backside magnet.
Thank you.
Okay, brother. See you next new project.
Yeah, we'll see
Bye
you
bye.
next
Take
time.
care. For my
Oh,
Instagram.
you got the thing?
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Do'stlar, o'zingizlar baho berib qo'yasizlar. Qalay chiqdi, yaxshimi? Okay, take care, man. Bye bye. Videoga aralashmasa, ish zo'r chiqadi. Hamma joyda ham. Sog' bo'linglar do'stlar. Bittadan like bosib, kommentariyalarda bir nimalarni yozib ketinglar endi do'stlar. Faqat prikol qilib, kamsitadigan narsalar yozmasalar ham bo'ldi do'stlar. Sog' bo'linglar, sizlarga faqat sog'lik tilayman. Men keyingi ishimga ketdim. Ha, aytgancha, bu ishga $500 xizmat oldim. 2 soatda bitirdim.